All you'll need is a pair of long nose pliers, a 14mm socket if you have one, and a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power to the fridge freezer. Remove any items and the shelves to make things easier and for us to access the thermostat unit. Remove the temperature dial. There's a nut that can be removed with the 14mm socket or a pair of long nose pliers to loosen it and unscrew. With your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the long screw holding the thermostat unit in place. Remove the bulb cover by gently squeezing it together from the top and bottom to release the clips. Then unscrew your bulb and place this to one side. For reference, take a photo of the existing wiring layout. Remove the plastic pusher by pressing it forward against the switch and then removing it. Remove the blue neutral wire which is connected to the light holder socket. Remove the two brown live wires, one connected to the thermostat centre post and one connected to the switch. To remove the current light holder socket, twist anti-clockwise and pull away. To attach your new light holder socket, line up the smaller clips with the top and bottom notch. Then rotate clockwise to secure it in place. Lift the light push button switch and reconnect your blue neutral wire. Then reattach the light push button switch. Reconnect your brown live wires. The longest wire connects to the switch and the shortest connects to the thermostat centre post. Reattach your plastic pusher. Now put the thermostat centre post back in place. To make this easier, firstly thread the metal piece from the thermostat centre post through to the other side. Then re-screw the nut back on. Now clip the back of the thermostat unit to the piece shown here in orange. Then line up the hole and re-screw the long screw that we removed earlier. Re-screw your bulb back on and reattach your bulb cover. The larger tab here clicks in at the bottom, then the smaller tab connects to the top. Give the new bulb cover a push so it clicks into place. Reattach the temperature dial. Then reinstall the shelves and add any items that you've removed. And that's it, your new lamp bulb light holder socket is all set to go.